What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this video I'll show you the best Fortnite mobile settings for Android. For graphics settings, set the quality to low and 3D resolution to 75%. Frame rate to 60 FPS and VSync off, anti-aliasing off, and shadows off, and also post-processing low or off. These settings give the best FPS and in lowest FPS input lag. For advanced settings, allow multi-threaded rendering and low power mode to off. Then HUD scale from 80 to 90% with preference. To customize control and touch settings, sensitivity set it to medium and build immediately on. Edit hold time low and confirm edit or release on. Then tap to shoot on for beginners. Now use stable Wi-Fi and close background apps and enable game mode on your phone to keep it cool and avoid throttling and FPS drops. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.